Stephen, it's Coach Gurney from Rising Star Baseball Camp. This is video footage of you hitting on Tuesday, August 2nd, 2016, and we're going to break it down in slow motion to see if there's any mechanical adjustments we can make to improve your performance. The first thing I notice is your feet are way too close together. So ideally, our feet are going to be shoulders width apart, and yours are a little too narrow here. I would actually be slightly wider than shoulders width. So maybe take a 6-inch wider stance than this. Because what happens is when you have such a narrow stance, especially a player of your height, your stride length is going to be so long. And watch what happens here. As you start to swing, your stride is very lengthy. So I was suggesting that your stride be where the blue line is, and look how much you've gone through that. So if you start with a wider stance, your stride won't be so lengthy. One of the problems with a long stride is the head moves. So let me back this up, and we're going to put a circle right around your head, and watch how much your head moves because of this lengthy stride. So you haven't even gotten to the ball yet, and your head is all the way out of that circle. So let's widen our stance, and then ultimately we will shorten our stride. The other thing I would recommend is making sure you don't extend the arms too quickly. So as you go to make contact, you get extension right here with this arm. And that's a no-no. This is known as casting. And we never want to get extension before contact, only after contact. So what we want before contact is a V-shaped configuration with our arms, not this casted out or extended left arm that you demonstrate here. So let's make sure that we work on having more of a bent arm configuration with our arms, not this extended, which you would want after contact, so you're still extended there. Now, as you reach the contact phase, you've actually done a better job here of getting into what I would call a power V position. I really like your back leg because it's got nice bend to it. The front leg, Stephen, we're going to want to be straight. So we want to get rid of this bend here and have a stiff front leg upon hitting. So I really like your frame. I like your athleticism, but let's work on these three things. One, starting in a wider stance. Two, to eliminate this lengthy stride. Next, let's make sure that we don't move our head so much. And lastly, let's not cast with this front arm. And one final thing, let's make sure we have a stiff front leg, which you do a nice job with the back leg of having a bent leg. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to play your swing in slow motion so you can see it. And let's remember those 3 or 4 things that I gave you. And Stephen, now I'm going to play it in full speed. And let's watch for those 3 or 4 things again. Have a great rest of the week at Rising Star, and we look forward to working with you in the near future.